Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm so excited because I got a couple boxes. Of course, as soon as I start talking, here's Dakota. He wants to be the star of the show. But I got a couple boxes of Scentsy and they had my sales kits in there. If you're not a consultant and you don't know what a sales kit is, Scentsy offers us kits that we can buy for products that are not available yet. So these are going to be available August 1st because they're part of our new fall winter catalog. Oh, he's excited. He smells stuff on my hands. I don't know. He's just weird. Anyway, so these are things that are not available yet. They'll be available August 1st. So, but we get to get them and try them beforehand. I am so excited. Can you chill out and let me talk to the people? He never lets me talk to the people. He thinks everyone's here for him. Anyways, so if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, even though it's messy as all heck, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know if you're excited about any of this. Or I'm going to pretend like he's not even here. I'm going to pretend this is not even happening. He's not scratching me at all. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you're interested in any of this. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Oh my gosh, that intro was so messy. I'm going to leave it because it is about as authentic as it comes. As soon as I turn on my recorder, it's like he thinks it's the Dakota show. Obviously, it's not the Dakota show. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to go through the laundry. Okay, so let me tilt this down a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Now he's bringing me his toy. Okay, so this scent was, it came in a brick last Christmas and it was so good and it was perfect. It's like that emoji, that perfect emoji, like it was perfect for the laundry. And so I'm super jazzed about this. You get it in laundry liquid. It's going to come in laundry liquid. Washer whiffs, the small tub, and it's going to come in dryer discs. And it's fluffy fleece. And look at how cute that art is. That art is so stinking adorable. So adorable. I'm loving it. Okay, so let's find the scent, Fluffy Fleece. All right, so we can discuss the scent. Black currant and cozy musk bundle up beneath a blanket of heliotrope. I don't know what that is, but let me tell you, it smells good. But it's definitely a laundry scent. If you're not into laundry scents, pretty much this won't be your bag. But if you like laundry scents, it's very clean. You will definitely enjoy this. So I'm going to go ahead and take a whiff of the whiffs. You see what I did there? Let me take a little snifferoni. Ah, yeah, that's perfect in laundry. I got to smell this when I was at Scentsy Family Reunion, and it smells amazing. It smells so good. Okay, so that is the laundry sales kit, and let's see. Let me make sure it comes in everything. The only thing it doesn't come in is Scentsy Fresh. So you can get it in Scent Soft. You can get it in both size whiffs. Everything else it comes in. Just not the, does it not? No, we didn't get that. So it doesn't come in the, what am I trying to say, you guys? Scentsy Fresh. Sorry, guys, I had COVID last year, if you don't know, and my brain literally shuts off right as I'm going live. It happens to me all the time and it's super annoying. Okay, next one that we're going to talk about is the clean sales kit. And I am so here for this. Now, a side note, it's very sad. The scent is vanilla mint, but it doesn't come in bar this year. You guys, it's one of my favorite holiday scents. I love it for winter, and it doesn't come in bar. So the scent is Wintergreen Frost Sparkles over vanilla and frozen citrus. You guys, it's just basically vanilla mint. That's what it smells like, vanilla and mint. And it's fantastic. So it comes in bathroom cleaner. It comes in counter clean, which I cannot wait to use. This is going to be my go-to for a while, and dish soap. So let's go ahead and open up the dish soap. Let's see if I can get this. I can never open these without using my teeth. Hold on. Sorry. Don't try this at home, kids. It's not toxic, but still. It's like you don't want to break your teeth. Oh my gosh. You guys, vanilla mint is the bee's knees. This is the dish soap. Oh my gosh. That stuff you get at the grocery store has nothing on this dish soap. So good. So good. So let's see. Let me see what all it's going to come in. And I will let you know. That's laundry. Okay, so it is going to come in dish soap. It's going to come in everything. Counter clean, bathroom cleaner, and all-purpose. Oh, it's going to come in all-purpose cleaner too. You guys know with a puppy, I use a lot of all-purpose cleaner because I put it in my carpet cleaner. That's what I use to clean my carpets. Works, again, this emoji. Works beautifully, okay? So the next one, I'm so excited. It's the body sales kit, and I am so here for it. I was so sad when they got rid of vanilla bean buttercream in our body line like years ago. And I'm like, gosh, I want them to bring back another bakery scent and body. I love that, especially for fall, winter. And they did. They listened. Okay, so we are getting vanilla waves. Vanilla waves. So good. So the sales kit comes with the hand cream, the body wash, the hand soap, which I'm obsessed. You guys, I don't know if you could see all my hand soap over there. And my hand cream, obsessed. That's not stock, that's Vickie's. And also, oh my gosh, Scentsy soap. I'm so excited to make samples of this. Unfortunately, I guess I could use it in my foot thing, but I have so much that I already opened bags. But I don't have a tub, you guys. I want a tub. The next house that I buy is going to have a tub, because that is a bummer, man. Sometimes you just want to soak with your Scentsy soap. Can you believe this is $12 for a, I almost said a not great word, frickin' huge bag of it? Oh my gosh, so good. 2 pounds. 2 pounds in here for 12 bucks. You guys, I'm here for it. Okay, so I'm going to open up the hand cream, Dakota Chill. And let me go ahead and tell you, it says Vanilla Waves, Sea Salt, Whipped Vanilla, Crash into a Sticky Caramel. You guys, watch. Dakota loves our hand lotion. Watch how crazy he goes. Oh, you're going to love this one, Dakota. He loves Scentsy hand lotion. Hold on. Let me sit back so you guys can see him. You guys should hear him sniffing. What do you think? No, don't lick. What do you think? Does it smell nice? Does it smell nice? I think it smells nice, and he's so excited right now. He is digging it. So, yay. These sales kits are amazing. So, like I said, I also bought the home kit, and the home kit included a whole bunch of the new warmers. But I don't want to just be like, here, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Like, I want to take my time and show you, and I don't want it to be a long video. So I'm going to be doing those a little at a time so that we can really look at them in all their splendor, because there's some pretty ones, you guys. But that's it. So those are the 3 sales kits that I bought. Like I said, if you want to see the home kit, I already did. Look, he loves our lotion. He loves our lotion. Yes, I know. That's the scent review. He'll let you, he's crying because he wants me to let him smell my arm. You guys, he's ridiculous. But, so yeah, if you want to see the home, you can go back and look at my scent review of the new releases. Chill out. It's not all about you. He begs to differ. All right, you guys. So let me know what you think in this video. Comment below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.